Welcome to TC2 Electronics. Hello friends, I am Kaltur Sharma and I am going to present tutorial 3rd. In this tutorial, I will explain the basic step of writing code for 8MB microcontroller. I will teach this by making a simple program of input-output. In this program, we will give input to port A and take the output at port C. So open AVR Studio 4. Basic knowledge of AVR Studio 4. Refer to tutorial 2nd. Type project name. I give the project name input output. Select simulator. In writing code, first of all, we have to include the input-output definitions for microcontroller. Input-output.h. This header file includes the appropriate input-output definition for the device. It includes the file which are common for all AVR devices. Now start your code with main function. Now friends, we have to determine the function of port, and it is done by selecting the proper value of DDR, the data direction register. If we want to use any port as input, then we assign 0 to the data direction register, else 255, that is FF in hexadecimal, to DDR to use that port as output. Friends, every port has its own data direction register. As told before, I want to use port A as input and port C as output. Then I will assign 0 to data direction register of port A and FF to data direction register of port for using port A as input. This value is in hexadecimal. Friends, always remember that the code regarding the ports has to be written in capital letters. Now next, I want to enable the pull-up registers for port A. It is done by assigning FF to port A. Or if you want to disable, just assign 0 to port A. So I am doing this. Now declaring port C as output by assigning DDR-C equal to FF. Now value of any port is given by pin. As value of port A is given by pin A, port B, pin B. I am using infinite loop and assigning the port C the value of port A by doing port C equal to pin A. Now friends, build the code. We have successfully built the code. Now we will debug it. Now we will see output. Port C, port A. Now assign the one value to pin A. Now start debugging code step by step by pressing F11. See, we got the same value at port C which we have given to port A. Now I am giving the value port A 21 in hexadecimal. Now again debug it and see, again we got the same value. So we have successfully made our code and we successfully debug it. But I made a mistake here. We don't have to enable pull up registers, we have to enable pull down register. So we will assign port A 00 and we have enabled pull down register. Now we will see practical implementation. Now friends, we will do a practical to learn how to assemble a circuit. Refer to tutorial 4. Friends, in the circuit only difference is the pull down registers. I added the pull down registers at port A. See, these are the pull down registers. Friends, we need to add this pull down resistor to avoid external noise as due to external fields. I am giving input to port A by this wire. This is connected to VCC. Now we will do our practical. Now friends, we will give input step by step to pin of port A and see output at port C. I am giving input at pin 1 of port A, output at pin 1 of port C, at pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6, pin 7. So we successfully done our practical as we achieved 7 output at port C which we gave at port A.